Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. The title of our project is Security of Bertino, Shang, Wagstaff Time-Bound Hierarchical Key Management Scheme for Secure Broadcasting. We selected a domain as Network Security. Let me see the brief explanation of our project. Bertino, Shang, and Wagstaff proposed a time-bound hierarchical key management scheme for secure broadcasting. It's implemented with elliptic curve cryptography and tamper-resistant device. Tamper device is used for secure broadcasting. We generated the key and protect them in a tamper device. We present two collision attacks, that is with decrypting device and without a decrypting device. In existing system, we implement with Lucas function to derive a secret key, but it is computationally inefficient. In existing, two users could need to decrypt some broadcasted data, but due to exchange of key between them, they cannot decrypt the original message. In proposed, we present two collision attacks. In both the attack, two users could need to decrypt some broadcasted data. We implement with tamper-resistant device. Using this device, data has been broadcasted in secure manner. The key is generated and in tamper device, the user permit to decrypt the data only after the validation. The validation is done with the help of tamper-resistant device. Let me see the flowchart of our project. The admin has taken a file to be broadcasted. The admin has authority to send a file to any number of users. The key is generated and protected in a tamper device. With the help of generated key, the file has been encrypted. The encrypted file is now transmitted to an user. The user have received a file. Now the user has authority to access a file only after the validation. The validation is done with the help of tamper device. If the user is not valid, they are not permitted to access the data. If a user is valid, they can access a file with the generated key. With the help of generated key, the data has been decrypted and broadcasted. Let's see the demo of our project. This is our admin module. This is our first module. Here, the admin have the authority to transmit a file to any number of users. The admin have authority to broadcast a file, generate a key, encrypt a file, decrypt a file, and transmit to one user. This is our open file button, and this is our key generation button, and this is our encryption button, and it's our decryption button, and it's our save button. Here the list of keys will be displayed, and here the text we are selecting, we are opening a file will be displayed. Let's see our project. Let's see our process. The admin is open a file, selecting a file which the admin is going to broadcast. Now here the file has been displayed. The selected file, we going to generate a key for a file. The admin have generated a key. The generated key will stored in a tamper device. Tamper device is used for secure broadcasting. We have saved a key in a separate system, that's our tamper device. With the help of the key we are generated, we are going to encrypt a file. Here then the name of the keys were displayed. We are going to select the key which we are going to encrypt our data. That may have selected a key and the file has been encrypted here. Save a particular file which we are encrypted, and the data has been saved here. We have displayed a message, and this encrypted file we are going to transmit by clicking on the next button. We'll get a form. We'll get this form, and this is our next module, that is file transmission module. Here we are going to select a file which we are going to transmit to a user. I have selected a text encrypted file to transmit, and here we are going to give an IP address for the user where we need to send a file, and I am giving the IP address of 192.168.0.16. And before that, let me see the user how they are acting. Let me see the user here. User module is idle. After there the user module is idle. After we are sending a file, we'll see the activities. Here we are get the file, read the file, creating a folder, and write file. Now the file is transferred successfully. Here the user have received the data. This is our next button. We are going to get the key and we are going to decrypt our data. Let's see the process. This is our next module, that is validation module. Here the system IP is generated from an tamper device, and the decryption file name, the file which we are going to decrypt, the particular file name is displayed. And by clicking on this validation button, we'll check whether we are valid to decrypt a file, and if we are not valid, we are not authorized to decrypt a file. Validation successful, you can get the key and decrypt the file. Now we are the valid user, so we can decrypt the file, get the key from a tamper device. Here the list of file which we are going to decrypt has been displayed. Select a particular file which you want to decrypt and get the key. The key is generated by a tamper device, that is we have a separate device and we stored our keys. And this is our decryption button, and this is our message displaying box. Here our decrypted text will be displayed. Let's see our process. We have got a key and we are going to click on the decrypt button. Now the file has been decrypted and we got a secure broadcasting. Thank you.